Hi friends, welcome back. Today I have quite the undertaking. I'm gonna tackle my shoe closet, which is under my stairs, and it's been a disaster since we moved in, and I can't wait to turn this space into something organized and appealing to the eye, because right now it is not appealing. Sorry, if you hear some chewing, there's one of my pups playing with a toy. So that's cute. But I just wanted to show you this closet, show you what we're working with, which isn't much. And then I went to IKEA and picked up a shoe cabinet and some other stuff, and we're gonna get this organized and decorated. So if you're interested to see how this turns out, just keep watching. Okay, so here is my front door, my stairs, and under my stairs we have a nice big closet, and we've been keeping our shoes and bags and stuff in here. So let me just show you what this is looking like. Dun dun dun! Disaster. Okay, so I currently have a ton of shoes on the floor, bags, we got some luggage, we have this old cabinet from another house that we stuck in here. That's gonna go. We got our mop, our vacuum, and our carpet cleaner way in the back there. And then up on the top we have our motorcycle helmets and more shoes and crap. And this space is atrocious. Can't wait to make this space into something beautiful. And then it's kind of dark back here, but if we walk to the back, I have a bunch more crap. That's going. That's like some video game console thing we got that doesn't even work. And then like excess storage in the back. So we're gonna get all this crap cleaned out and put together the shoe cabinet for this space and get this going. here is the finished product of our shoe closet. Can't wait to show you everything that's in here. You obviously saw the before. It was a mess and there was just shoes all over the floor. But yeah, so let me show you what I did here. So the first thing you see when you walk in is this coat hook. This is from IKEA and I got it in the black. I like that it had multiple hooks to hang from. So on this right now is my husband's motorcycle jacket, and then I hang my purse in here, and then my niece's backpack will go there as well. So everything is up and off the floor, which is awesome. And then above I hung two little pictures I had. I do need to update the pictures inside. These are pretty old. This was from, this picture is really cute actually. I like it a lot. I might keep that one, but me and my husband look so young. That was before we got married, so that's like 7 years ago. And this was from when we did get married. So we might need to do a little image updating in these, but I thought they fit perfectly here above the coat rack. And then here is the shoe cabinet. This is the one you saw me putting together from IKEA. It's working perfect for us. So we have some opportunity to put something up here. I might put a few little baskets maybe, but in the top shelf are my husband's shoes. And of course his shoes are too big to fit in here the right way, so they're kind of stacked funny. And then this third drawer has my shoes in it. This has been so perfect for us. It keeps it so nice and clean. And then the bottom drawer has all of my niece's shoes, so she could reach those very easily. And then on top of the shelf here, so the first thing here is a reed diffuser. I wanted to put something in here that smelled nice, considering this is a shoe closet and shoes can get a little smelly. So I got a reed diffuser from Target. This is in the scent Waterfall. It smells really nice and fresh. And then I got this cute little black basket. This is from the Hearth and Hand collection. I thought we could use this for a few different things. We can throw some keys in it, or maybe a few pairs of extra socks for my niece if she forgets to bring some down in the morning. And then I added just a little plant here because I felt like it needed some greenery. This is just one I had around the house. I might look for one that's a bit taller and kind of put it behind the black basket, but for now I think it looks cute. And like I said, again, I might get some shallow wood baskets for here that we can keep some stuff in as well. And then in the back, it's of course dark and gloomy, but it looks a lot cleaner than it was. We just have our suitcases back there, and then if I go around the corner, it's really hard to see, but I have my vacuum and my mop kind of hidden away. So we're not utilizing that space very well. Another thought I had was to put like a taller plant in that space just to kind of hide it a little bit better and add a little bit more character. So I also added this rug. This rug is from Target as well. I think it fits perfectly in here, and I love that it has the black because I wanted to bring in, you know, we have the black accents and I wanted it all to tie in, and I thought having a rug in here would be nice, especially with shoes. You can kind of see already before we had anything in here, we already got like stains on the carpet. So I thought having the rug might be a good idea. And then this was a basket I just had in my house. My husband has a lot more shoes than will fit in his one little cubby. So I put his extra shoes in this basket right here. I don't think it's the right basket, so I am going to try to look for one that kind of goes with the space a little bit better. But for now, that's what I'm using. I wanted to kind of use what I had just to make this space work for us right now, and just so I could show you the transformation. And then up at the top, which you don't really see very much, those are our motorcycle helmets, so we kept those up there. Now, I do want your opinion on something. I do have this empty wall here, and I was thinking of maybe putting a mirror, just to make it feel a little bit bigger in the space. Let me know if you think a mirror would look nice here, or if you have some other ideas of what could go on this wall. I know the focus obviously of the space is on this wall, but I was thinking maybe something to coordinate on this wall as well. Another thought I had was maybe like one of those macrame hanging like tapestries. But yeah, let me know what you think. Give me some ideas for what to put on that wall. I'm very happy how this turned out. I think it looks so much better, so much cuter, and I really made this under the stair space like its own little room, and I love how it looks, and it's so clean and organized, and I think it's just so cute. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this transformation. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like home decor and organization, I love doing videos like that on my channel. So subscribe if you want to see more of those. And leave in the comments below what other things you'd like to see me redecorate or organize in my house. And maybe I can help give you guys some ideas for your own space. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!